now let us see how to do Apex based sharing. So now every record can be shared using Apex. Now each S object, important point is each S object in Salesforce has got something called as object share entity. There is another table, okay, literally another S object which shows the sharing rule for each, who can access, which IDs are shared, who can read, write, everything is there in something called as a share entity. So for example, let's take a look over here. Like say for example, if you have contact, you will have something called as contact share entity. So if you have account, you will have something called as account share entity. So to take a look at this, again we'll have to go to workbench, and if you see here, you can take a look here. See asset share, account. Let's search one second. Now this case share, this is the object of case and in which the sharing rules are stored, okay, like who can get access. So you can query this to find out to which user or group ID what is the access that has been given, okay, and what is the case access level, whether it is read or write. So as I was telling you that each table has got something like this. So if you go to account, you will find account share, contact, you will find contact share, okay. So coming back over here, so what you're going to use is you're going to use that table. So here I'm creating a list of contact shares, and for each and every trigger, either it's on an update or insert, if that record says make public, I have a custom field called as make public, the logic here is true. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the contact share, create a new record, okay, create a new instance of that, and I'll give the access level as edit and the contact ID of whatever ID I want to pass or whatever group ID that I want to share with. Okay, so here of course the contact ID is not is the current contact, and group ID is not specified. Group ID you have to select from any relevant group that you want to pass, okay, from the public group table. Please hear me out correctly. So here what I'm doing is I'm creating a new contact share, then I'm giving the access level of that record to edit, and I'm telling that this contact ID has got this edit access, and if you want to pass, if you want to give a group, this contact ID is the record and user or group is the group ID that you want to share this access with. And once you are done, you are passing this to the list, and finally you do a insert of this. Okay, so this way you can access the contact share, account share, case share, and then you can make the change to that particular record. So you want to say that this contact ID of that is the record, current record, has got edit access for these groups. Okay. So this is how you can do Apex sharing in addition to manual and criteria based sharing rules.